ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the vlog. So today is the day. It is 6:05 a.m. on this Sunday morning. We are about to go to Subiefest, which is in Santa Anita Park, and I only had 4 hours of sleep and I still had to do a car wash, and we're gonna meet up with my fellow friends over in Santa Anita Park. So let's go ahead, quickly go over to the car wash right now because we have to do it. My car is filthy. Just made over to the self-serve car wash. We're gonna quickly get this large vehicle, the Subie, a little cleaning because really it is really dirty. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that, and RIP swirls. Rip.
Everything you said we already knew, more or less.
Well, here's something that you didn't know. 2 of those special atomic bombs haven't gone off.
Alright, my 11-minute car wash is finally done. So let's go ahead and just dry this thing completely. I did an air dry. I did most of it, but we still have some spots here and there. We have to get the wheels all dried up. Then we're gonna head over to Santa Anita Park. Fast forward to drying the whole car. We are about 25 minutes away from Santa Anita Park. I'm gonna meet up with my fellow booth car, Ricky, and we're gonna just head into our booth with MAXX. So it's gonna be an awesome time. So let's go ahead. Hopefully it's not too hot.
20 minutes later.
But before meeting up with them, I'm gonna stop by McDonald's, this fine establishment where it's cheap and all that good stuff. But I need coffee because it's gonna be a long day. It's an 8-hour shift. Just chilling out, sitting down. But yeah, I'll be right back for you guys, and I will be grabbing some McDonald's. Alright, just got my iced caramel macchiato. It's pretty good. I love it. And I told my friend Ricky to meet up here instead of at our original location, which was at Denny's. But he's already on his way. Roland stops at 8. It's already 7:30, so we're just gonna quickly meet up here and go over there. Oh, look it. There he is. There he is, Ricky. What's up, man?
What's up, man? It's my girl. Check it out, man.
Hey. Nice to meet you, man. Tell them about your car.
I've had it for 3 years. Carbon hood, carbon trunk, APR wing, full aero from Aeroflow Dynamics. I'm on my second set of bucket seats. I just got picked up by D&D.
Hey,
shout out to them. Now I'm just sitting on a wide body kit. The Mount Rider body kit. I'm trying to buy a house, so that's gonna have to sit for a while. But
hey, you know priorities, right?
Yeah.
Priorities.
Yes, but.
And if you guys want to follow him, what's your IG?
It's Ricky_STI is me. Underscore. Right. It's Ricky_STI underscore is me.
It's me.
Yeah.
I'll show it to you guys. It's right here. It's right here. Dude, mine's too. I just cleaned mine literally like 2 hours ago. Alright, we're gonna be rolling up into Subiefest. It's about 8 minutes away from the gate that we're supposed to enter in. So let's just quickly go over there. Here we are. Time to clean the car, and big huge shout out to Jovi at J Garage. Oh yeah, thanks so much, man. I owe you a bunch. We gotta still do that little filming. After 1 hour of cleaning the car, setting up, I have finally finished everything that needs to be done with the car, so take a look. My friend Ricky's STI. And we got Aeroflow right next to us. Here's AFD's. Honestly, we'll go around the show, but I'm just tired. I need to chillax for a little bit. So this part of the vlog is gonna be all cinematics for probably a few of the vlog clips. It'll probably take like a minute or two, so let's just go ahead, go around, take some cinematic shots.
Папа дал мне денег, чтобы лейбл становился круче. Я пошел их тратить в ЦУМе, взял себе Rolex и Gucci. Нет, я не мажор, я заработал сам, и я все круче. В секрет-руме 3 кристалла мне за 100, сучек. Рублево-успенская банда, gang shit. Вокруг меня строго охрана, oh shit. Как будто я сын из Кабара, blue shit. Под утро мне папа в душу, как втащит. Монако, заебался однако. Монако, опухла шпага. Хожу на шопинг и курю кальяны. И каждый день со мной то футболисты, то джиганы. Не жизнь, а праздник. Папа коммерс, под жопой мерз. Мой бизнес сам вывез. Листаю ленту, выбираю себе покруче. И да моя сука Шанель, да моя сука как Гуччи.
Это сука Шанель, это сука как Гуччи. Она круче твоей, круче всех тех сучек.
Look at this. Who showed up? Mr. Jared right here.
First year, man.
Yeah, same here. We have our miles board too. Like, I actually tried to go around and the road here sucks, to be honest.
Like, you ride it, right?
Like right here, I just went around. Oh my god. Fuck, that's freaking nice, man. So we got Dustin's WRX here. Where is he? Somewhere, he's somewhere. 86 chick. So have you guys seen my Weekfest video when we went to NorCal and we met up with THANKS to Jovi Lifestyle booth and Concept Lifestyle was there? Here they are, all the way from NorCal. When you're at a car show, you always gotta look at the wheel specs, especially for him. Yeah. What's your wheel specs, bro? Since it's lunchtime, me and Jerry are going to the mall. So going inside the mall, get some grub. And I'll set you guys down and we'll see you guys soon. Official sponsor of the car. We'll be right back, but enjoy the corgi. We are back. It's already 1 p.m. It's freaking hot out here. Remember when Jared said try to stop him from spending money, and we got to this Rengen mud flap booth, and look at this guy. He has his money out.
Yo, spot me 5.
And then me, I really want a LED light with the on the grill, like the Nürburgring on Subie speed. It's 400 over there, but Grillcraft is selling theirs for 250. Do I really want to spend more money? Do I?
Yes. Always.
Yes?
Always.
I don't know. A hefty one.
Good for the economy.
So the folks over at OEM Auto, they have a demo going on with their OEM Audio Plus. We are sitting in a XV. Is this the XV? Yeah, we are. And they gave us a little aux cord for us to use.
Gotta be louder. Maybe it's this.
EDM music. So with the event almost done, me and Jared just went around, just went to the mall, chill out, nap, because I only had 3 hours of sleep. And yeah, I got a lot of good feedback from my car actually, surprisingly. Now as well, special thanks to MAXX Oil for, you know, hooking me up with the boot car. So huge shout out, thank you guys very much. And honestly, it's the best first year of Subiefest. I gave them my contact info on, you know, if they have any shows coming up with MAXX Oil. So we're gonna see what happens for next year. I know there's gonna be tons of changes. I was talking to my sponsors, Down for Solutions. Tony, if you're watching this, you know, we have those plans. Till next time, everyone. What's next time? I don't know what's on the calendar, but I'm gonna be hitting up with MAXX Oil now. So yeah, see you guys. Make sure you leave this vlog a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out, y'all.